Misconception number 12. Eating at night. When trying to burn fat, many people dread the thought of eating food at night. Though your body is asleep at night, it still uses calories to function and repair cells. You can observe that you weigh less when you wake up compared to the night before due to your body's use of calories. As long as you're in a caloric deficit where you burn more calories than the amount you consume, you will lose weight no matter what time of day you choose to eat. There are diets such as intermittent fasting which proves that you can efficiently lose fat while consuming the bulk of your daily food intake at night as long as the required calories are met. Consuming most of your carbs during the day can be beneficial for having more energy, but this is a preference of the individual and will have no direct effects on burning fat or building muscle. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.